And here's a Dragunov again. Here we have it's on safety and one shot. The magazine holds around about 50-60 pellets, and it is a very long barrel on this sucker. Now let me turn it over. What you will notice about the Dragunov is the lack of a proper rail. So mounting a scope is not the easiest thing. However, these guns come with a side rail, and these side rails need special mounts, and you put your scope up on top here. But right now I don't have one. I will be stocking some soon, and for those that love their Dragunovs, or AKs for that matter, I will be stocking some original AK side mounted scopes.